Dr. Jamila, chairperson of Pakistan Youth Forum, the very vibrant, energetic team who has put this evening together, the organizers and all the members of Pakistan Youth Forum, but more importantly, all the guests and the participants for this evening. I'd like you to join me in welcoming and saying thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Ansar Birni, to be with us this evening, and indeed our guest of honors, Ms. Abia Akram, Ms. Sidra Iqbal, and Mr. Umair Jaswal. Thank you very much for being with us this evening. I'm sure we have enjoyed this evening as much as we could, but I must say this has been one of the best functions and programs put together in certainly ever since I've been with Pakistan Association Dubai. And I'm very grateful to these young, energetic people, and it gives us immense pleasure in looking to our future that inshallah, the Pakistan Association Dubai, the Pakistani community in Dubai is in very safe, very educated, and very energetic hands for future, inshallah. I should also take this opportunity to say thanks to the sponsors who have supported this event, and including the Address Hotels, Mr. Mustafa Qasam and his company Midas, the Etihad Airways, the Prime Videos, and the Magic the partner. I would call them the Magic partner here. So thank you very much all. And indeed, on behalf of Pakistan Association Dubai, I would also like to thank Dr. Faisal, the General Secretary, to lead this initiative in supporting and helping the Pakistan Youth Forum. So सबका बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया, और inshallah we look forward that we will have more of such programs and more young people coming forward to become members of Pakistan Association Dubai. Thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you, Dr. Zia. As we reach towards the end, we would like to appreciate Dr. Faisal Ikram, General Secretary, Pakistan Association Dubai, for all his efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, this event has been organized by our Special Projects Division, led by Ibtisam Azim, and some great work done by our media, education, finance, and event management teams. So can I please have all the organizers over here to present Dr. Faisal with a token of love and appreciation. Organizers, can we please have you over here? All of our PYF family.
I would like to thank the organizers who have worked effortlessly for the past several weeks to make this summit possible. Each and every one of the organizers has taken time out of their working university lives and put in a considerable amount of effort in this summit. Without the guidance of our seniors, our general advisor, Dr. Faisal, and our president, Dr. Ziaul Hassan, we wouldn't have been able to organize this. Thank you, gentlemen. Next, we would like to thank the guests of honor who have managed to find time and join us in this noble cause. Abia Akram, Sidra Iqbal, and Umair Jaswal, once again, thank you. We really did benefit from your presence. Our chief guest, Mr. Ansar Birni, added immense value to our conversations and consequently to our summit. We really wish that we had more time to spend with you so we could learn from your experiences. And that is truly an honest statement. Finally, I would like to thank the audience. Thank you for being present tonight and being a wonderful audience. We, the organizers were extremely satisfied with the discussion we had, and we hope it inspired you. Although this summit has officially concluded, we would like you to view our exhibition titled Gems of Pakistan, situated outside this hall. Gems of Pakistan is a small step from our side to highlight, recognize, and display the wonderful community work our fellow Pakistanis have been doing, be it the sectors of education, health, welfare, or relief. These gems have been working unconditionally and selflessly for decades and decades. Please feel free to socialize with the organizers, guests, the chief guests, and everyone else. If anybody wants to sign up for PYF, please speak to the organizers. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Jazakallah and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.